Ruby was no ordinary train. She was a small engine whose carriages changed colors with her every emotion. On the day of her first journey, she felt a mix of anxiety and excitement, causing her train cars to shimmer in shades of orange and green. As she chugged along the tracks for the first time, the other trains couldn't help but notice Ruby's unique appearance. They whispered and stared, some with curiosity, others with disdain. Feeling out of place, Ruby's colors dimmed to a muted gray. She wondered if she would ever fit in or if her differences made her less useful than the others. Ruby's route was to take her to the little town of Brightsville, known for its dull skies but cheerful people. Along the way, she encountered various obstacles: a broken track, a fallen tree, and a steep hill. Each of these challenges made Ruby doubt herself, and with every doubt, her colors faded even more. However, with every obstacle she overcame, a little girl named Lily, who was traveling with her mother, cheered her on. Lily loved how Ruby changed colors and saw beauty in her uniqueness. Hearing Lily's encouragement helped Ruby push forward. Every time Lily clapped and laughed, Ruby's colors glowed brighter. When Ruby finally reached Brightsville, the skies were as gloomy as always, but the people were lined up, eager to greet the new train. As she pulled into the station, Ruby saw the smiling faces of the townspeople and felt an overwhelming sense of pride and happiness. Her carriages exploded in a vibrant splash of rainbow colors, illuminating the drab surroundings. The townsfolk marveled at the beautiful display. Mayor Jacob stepped forward and praised Ruby for making the town brighter and showing everyone how differences can be wonderful. From that day on, Ruby embraced her unique ability to change colors. She realized that her differences didn't make her less useful. They made her special.